All right, let's talk now with Lily. Lily, you're with Allworth Money Matters.
Hi there. Thank you for taking my call.
Yes. How can we help today,
I
Lily?
have a few questions, but I'll get started. In the last few years, I've changed jobs a couple times, and each time I've just rolled over my 401k into the new company's plan.
Okay.
Should I keep doing that when I change jobs, or should I be rolling it into an IRA?
How old are you?
24.
And how much money do you have in 401ks?
17,000.
Okay.
I would just roll it over to the next 401k.
Yeah, I would too.
Okay.
For the ease of it. Don't leave it at your previous employer, because then you forget about them, and then next thing you know, you're 40 and you're like.
And there's actually a whole industry behind taking abandoned 401ks and moving them to third-party trust companies that actually have high fees.
Yeah, I would probably just keep rolling them over.
I would.
You've done a nice job at age 24 to have $17,000 in your retirement account.
And one of the things that you actually have the benefit of is most 401ks have a borrow provision on it, where you can borrow up to 50% of the account balance if need be. And we're not saying you should, but you're 24, so who knows?
Okay. And then I have, so like right now at my current job, I put 9% into my 401k. And then this year I maxed out, I have a Roth IRA. And so I maxed that out. Which one should I have more focus on?
What's your salary? Total income? What do you make it?
About 82,000.
Yeah, and so I was going to actually circle back on this. Why not put 15% of your income into your Roth IRA 401k? Why 9%? Why did you decide that?
I think that's just the number I picked. I could increase it to 15. Right now, I'm kind of trying to save for a house. So the extra cash I'm putting towards saving for a house, but I could increase it.
Where are you putting the money for the house savings?
So I have a CD and I have a money market account, and then I also have a brokerage. And so that was going to be my third question, was where should the focus?
Oh my gosh. What did you study in college?
Come hang out with my kids for a weekend, would you please?
Yes, my degree is actually in hospitality, so nothing.
Do you work in the hospitality industry now?
I do, yes.
By the way, my children, if you perchance are listening, which I highly doubt you are, I meant no disrespect on that comment.
Okay. So here's what.
How much do you have saved in the house fund?
A little bit over 100,000.
Holy smokes! And you saved all that.
Did you inherit some of this or gift for your grandma or anything?
No. So that account, it was always the joke. My mom would, every birthday, Christmas, she would take the money. We never got the money. And it was always kind of the funny thing that she put that money aside for us, and started from a young age. So that account's been saving since I was a kid, from every holiday and Christmas.
And how close are you to buying a home?
I would say probably the goal would be 3 years.
So here's what I think. My gosh, I think you should just put 10% into your Roth 401k and save everything else towards a home. Okay. And then I would go to bankrate.com and see what the highest yielding money market is.
But
I would put all the money in.
But she's at $82,000.
Yeah.
For a single person, the tax rate goes from 12% to 22% at taxable income of $50,000. Their standard deduction is about 20 or so. Yeah. Or is it 15? What is the standard deduction? So some of it she's at a 22% tax. The question is, I mean, you're still young. What's your tax rate going to be? I like the idea of put it in the Roth. She's so young, it'll be tax-free when she's old.
She's going to be in a higher marginal tax rate.
Based on this. Yeah, you're exactly.
I mean, just based on the conversation.
And you're in hospitality. Yeah.
Do you work in a restaurant or a hotel?
No, I used to work in hotels, and now I work for a venture capital firm.
Oh, gosh, stop it.
Definitely a Roth.
Absolutely a Roth. Absolutely a Roth. Oh, my. Oh, my. Good for you. Are you doing roll-ups or?
What does that
VC. She says
Oh,
startups.
VC, not private equity. You're doing startups.
No. I'm a venture capital.
Got it. You're doing like the Sweet Greens of the world.
Or the most that you never hear of that don't survive.
Or the Kavas or that sort of thing, I assume. Just
do the Roth.
Yeah, and I'd put 10% in, and then any liquid cash I'd continue to save towards the home. And I'd
use a money market or CD.
Or go to bankrate.com and see what the highest yielding money market
You
is.
want it secure because
you want FDIC.
The last thing you want to do is invest somewhere that's going to fluctuate in value. You find suddenly you're at the right time in your career to buy a house. The house prices are the right time. Interest rate, everything's green, and then my account's down.
Yeah.
That makes no sense, right? So you want it in cash. Cash is king when it comes time to buy a home.
Yeah, and I would no longer be making IRA contributions for right now. I would just do the 401k. What?
Well, she can make them into the Roth, and then if she doesn't need it, she can leave them in the Roth. I would disagree with you on that one.
You mean just make the
Keep
Roth?
maximize
Oh, so
the
you
Roth.
could draw back the basis if you need to.
Correct. You can draw the basis
I
out.
stand corrected.
Okay. And then, so, like, for the money markets, like the online banking, like, do you guys recommend those?
Oh, absolutely. So
yeah.
So if you go to bankrate.com, it will give you the highest yielding money market.
The name of the bank could be Ditchwater Bank. As long as it's FDIC insured, who cares?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
And so, you're below the limit.
Yeah, which she is. So just go to bankrate.com and see who have the highest yielding money market. What's the firm we use?
I don't know.
Is it Wealthfront?
I don't know.
And then my CD, should I keep that in a CD, or do you?
No, I'd move it. Whatever the highest yield is.
Whatever the highest yield is. But I would still keep it. I wouldn't do a CD because your time frame might be less than 3 years.
Yeah.
It could be 2 years. Maybe you hit something big on the venture capital front. You get a windfall.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, yeah.
Where'd you go to school? Is that okay to ask?
Yeah, absolutely. I went to San Jose State.
Very nice. Well,
right.
I hope your parents...
San Jose State. I love it. I went to Chico State.
I hope your parents are proud of you.
Yeah, they did very well setting me up for success.
Well, I mean, you're working in a little VC.
Yeah.
So...
I have a Lily, by the way. She's 18, not 24. So great name. So good, nice talking with you, Lily. Wish you well. You're on a great start.
Thanks.